teaching. So let's see a case first. Okay, this is one of the case published by me along with Dr. Nimit Gupta. You can see the two names, Mr. Anuj Kumar, Dr. Nimit Gupta from Foreign Institute of International Business, and the case name is Developing Business for Adventure. So before going further, I want to ask you all, why case-based teaching is necessary for modern day students? What is case-based teaching and why case-based teaching is necessary?
Sir, to get to know the practical experience of people.
Practical experience, okay. Anyone else?
So when we
It
go in
helps
the
to connect
actual
specific.
organization, we are not unaware. We know how to deal with the real situation.
Okay. But everyone can share your opinion and then afterwards you can mute yourself. Why we require case-based teaching?
Sir, to be more
One by one. Don't create it a fish market. पिछले एक हफ्ता मेरा पूरा एटिकेट्स पे गया. Okay. So one by one. Ashi, raise your hand. I will ask you. Ashi Agarwal, tell me, what do you mean by case-based teaching?
Sir, to be more proactive and learning through practical life examples and to share our own thoughts upon experiences. Like we can share our own thinking about the topic.
You can share your own thinking about the topic. Okay. This is about Ashi. What Anusha, you want to say something? What you want to say?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So, as far as we have learned mostly about in a theory manner, we have completed mostly theory, but how to apply that in the real world is what a case study means.
Okay, how to apply that in a real world? That's what case study means. Alicia, what do you want to say?
So it's on the behalf of consumers review mostly, so we can know the perspectives of consumers as well. We got to know,
Perspective
yeah.
of consumers. Okay, you can mute afterwards. Alicia, बहुत disturbance आता है तुम्हारे background में, पता नहीं कहाँ बैठते. And then Shifali Jain.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, case studies are more required for us to, know the real world, what is happening around us, and that not much bookish stories cannot tell us as much as case studies can.
Okay. Okay, your point is bookish. No, we are going away from bookish knowledge and we are moving towards the practical learning. Okay, it's fine. Nishita Seth, what you want to say about case-based teaching?
Yes, sir. I wanted to say that the case-based studies, like the actual scenario that is going on, like those are the actual cases we need to tackle in the future. So
Okay.
it helps us, understand what is going on and how to use our mind in different situations.
Okay, you all can lower your hand. Now I want to ask on my own. I want to ask from Yatin. Yatin, what is your take on case-based pedagogy, case-based teaching? Why it is necessary? Yatin Bagga.
So first of all, very good morning.
Good morning.
So basically, the case-based studies are required just to enhance our skills under any
Okay.
situation. Because
Okay.
in the corporate world, we are not bound to only one situation or two situations. There will be
Okay.
n number of situations, and we need to cope up with that and just behave and act according to every situation.
Okay.
That's why case-based studies are required.
Okay. Now let me come back to you all on this topic, case-based teaching. Now you all can mute yourself. First, we need to understand what are the cases. What a case tell you. For what a case has been written. Cases are the narratives. It describes about the situation, or it can be a selective data sampling or a statement that presents unresolved or proactive issues, situations, or questions. The case method is a participatory discussion based way of learning in which student and faculty can interact with the help of that case. A situation has been given, and then you to start interacting. The presenters, please give the entry whosoever is asking. Okay, I'm indulged in my class. So this is a problem-based learning, and case-based teaching invokes critical thinking in the students. You know, critical thinking. We all say critical thinking is required for managers. But how to develop that critical thinking? That critical thinking can only be developed with the help of practical situations and scenarios. And those practical situations and scenarios can only be developed with the case-based teaching. So the case-based teaching is a partnership. It can be seen as a partnership between student and a teacher. Whosoever is reading it, whosoever is solving it. It promotes effective contextual learning and long-term retention. When you read about a particular situation, it remains in your memory for a longer time. Rather than if I teach you a concept, only a theory through book, you are bound to forget it after some time. But if I'm giving you a case or a situation based on that theory, and then the theory will be described in the instructor manual. With the case study, there is an instructor manual as well. I'll show you the instructor manual of my case. So that theory, when you are studying it with the help of case study, it captures your mind. If you are solving it in an interactive manner, whenever you will become manager tomorrow, you all will become manager, or in some corporate job or in some other field, you need to handle responsibilities and you will face many problems. And the corporate world is looking for what? Corporate world is not looking for the person who are communicating about problems. Corporate world or any organization, anywhere you see, no one is looking for the person who are telling about the problems. They are looking for the person who are telling the solution of the problem. By reading theory makes your base. Theory prepares you, okay, but application of that theory is only visible in the cases. So by reading cases, by reading more about practical scenarios, you are able to tackle the situations which you will face tomorrow. Either same type of situation, similar type of, or even if it is not similar, you have some insights how to go ahead with it. So it involves a trust where that students will find the answers. And the answers questions not only of why, but why. How? Sorry, answers question not only of how, but why. How the case will not only solve your problem of how to do this thing, but why to do this thing. Why this can be an appropriate solution. You know how lawyers study how cases resolved in the courts. Any one of you? What is the procedure? How the lawyer advocates? Any one of you? How a lawyer advocate his case?
Sir, analyzing facts and issues and evaluating possible alternatives, facts and issues, alternatives, and then
Okay.
we
Okay,
reach, we reach a decision, best decision.
Okay, Ayushi. First of all of you, please follow one rule in my class. Raise your hand when I ask. Then I'll come back to you.
Okay, sorry.
Do not unmute instantly.
Sorry.
If 10% will unmute together, then it will be difficult to manage. Okay, so take care. So Ayushi said by analyzing and all. Now mute yourself, Ayushi. After answering, mute yourself. I think मेरे 10-15 मिनट इन्हीं चीजों में चले जाएंगे, muting, unmuting. So anyways, so lawyer always gives reference. In this case, dated on this was the verdict given. So those verdict acts as a situation, as cases for lawyers. Similarly, when you as a manager preparing yourself, you do not have you do not have decisions which you can refer, but you have cases. In foreign universities, when I was doing my second master's, no emphasis on teaching the course content. You know, you got a course content I have posted in your group, and in that you can see different subjects. Course content in at PG level, they think that a student can do himself or herself. They will only teach you cases. One class of 3 hours, and a 3 hour class, like there are 12 lectures scheduled. For each lecture there is a case study, and a big case study like 17 pages, 18 pages, 20 pages. You need to analyze that case, apply that theory. They think and they assume whatever the theory is that student can learn on their own. Google, library, e-resources. They don't emphasize on theory teaching. The pedagogy of foreign universities. You all want to go to the foreign universities. You all want to study in the foreign universities, and you all want to see the foreign pedagogy. This is foreign pedagogy, case-based teaching. They give you the real scenarios and how, and try to know your response on that scenario. So a case give you an opportunity to develop your thinking and how you will react to that problem, to that situation. In the last of the case, there are some questions given. You need to analyze the whole situation and need to give your answer. So this is about case study. Simultaneously, if anyone of you want to write anything while I'm teaching you, you can write in the message box. Okay. We will read the message box later. So let's go back again. Why case study is an important element. Vasu Jain, should I remove you from the class? Vasu Jain. Look, this happens, with the law, with the
Yes, sir.
with the students. Why you are unmuting yourself and disturbing us?
What, sir? I can't hear you.
You can't hear me. Why you are unmuting yourself and disturbing us? Mute yourself. Mute yourself. And when I make you presenter, two of you, Divyanshi and Swastika, this is your duty, and Alicia as well. This is your duty to see who is unmute. I'll not check again and again. This is your responsibility, and the responsibility has been given. Take that responsibility. Okay, let me go back to again case teaching. Provide students the opportunity to walk around the problem. When you walk around the problem, you look for different solution. The value of case study method, it is effective because it employs active learning. It involves self discovery where the teacher serves as a facilitator. Teacher is writing case. Teacher can be reading someone else's case. So teacher is always act as a facilitator. He gives you the notes on the case study, and then he asks you to go through it, and then he invokes the discussion. Started the discussion along with you. So it is an effective method. Secondly, builds the capacity for critical thinking. It uses questioning skill because there are different types of questions given in the case studies. Skills as a modeled by the teacher and employs discussion and debates. It exercises an administrative point of view. Student must develop a framework for making decision. A framework comes from by applying the knowledge of by applying theoretical knowledge. So it requires some type of work from students. What type of work from students? You should be clear with your theory. अभी तक एक कहावत है हिंदी में, पक्की पकाई खाने को मिल गई. तो अब पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में आ गए हो, पक्की पकाई खाने को की आदत डाल दो कि एवरीथिंग द टीचर विल डू. वो चीज के we just need to check the syllabus. Okay, this topic is done in class, this topic is done in class, course is done. Are you here for studying the course? I'm pretty much sure, and I'm very much confident that everyone can do this course at their home. Courses curriculum are not that much difficult. You can do you can complete those curriculum at your home. Many of you are from distance. You are here to gain something. so that you will be ready for challenging corporate world. At the same time, exercise and administrative point of view, student must develop a framework for making decision. It models a learning environment. It offers an exchange and flow of ideas from one person to another and achieves trust, respect, and risk taking. Flow of ideas, one person who's writing the case, and whosoever is reading the case, the idea should be floated. Models the process of inductive learning from the experience. The cases can be based on facts and figures. Cases can be open-ended cases, fictional cases. We often read different type of novels also. During many people, many boys and girls during their college life have a habit of reading novels. So certain time we also have fictional cases that the teacher write, the difficulties in writing these cases so that they reflect a real world situation. What is going on in the real world? What is going on in the corporate world? You reflect it with the help of cases. And then you involve your student by giving them those cases to read. So that's where case-based pedagogy is important. It is a motivation to learn theory. A student whosoever is interested in case-based style or case-based style of learning, they himself try to learn the theory, so that they apply their knowledge in a good manner. If in your MBA you will do around like 400-500 cases, you will be able to know different types of situation. Tomorrow in an interview, the HR managers will not give you anything else except the situation, how you will react in this situation. It is an important part of your interviews as well. So if you know the theory, then you know the application of that theory. I have already done one experiment with you. That's a case-based experiment only. When I've told you all that your attendance will be linked with your feedback, and I told you that's based on a classical conditioning theory. When I see that when I linked your attendance with your feedback, I can see that students are more attentive. They are noting down everything. They are taking much attention in the class. So with the case-based theory, you will be able to know about the theory and the application of that theory. Use of evidence, if there are facts, data, and everything has been given. Empirical case, the case can be empirical, in which data, conceptual tools, and everything has been there. Then you are ready to take. Then you are ready to take that. Then you are ready to analyze that case with the help of data and all. So it prepares you for empirical analysis as well. Limitation of theory, one of the most difficult aspect of applying economic analysis and understanding which part of question can be answered by economic analysis. Currently, you are reading many subjects, and as you are reading many subjects, you don't know which theory has to be applied where and how to implement that theory. Actually, the case provides you that situation that you can apply that theory in a diligent manner. During my MBA, I've done double masters, one MBA from Bharati Vidyapeeth only, 2009-11, in the same institute where you are sitting, and another from abroad. What I've seen, the difference is, I've been given like 36 to 37 cases in one subject, and when you solve 36 to 37 cases of a subject, your mind works like anything. Mind start working on different types of problems. Okay, this is the application of that theory. This is the application. Yesterday I've also given you a reflection cycle, Gibbs reflection cycle. Our professors used to give me that reflection cycle after every course, after every subject we finish. So they want us to reflect on the subject, what we have learned. There are 12 lectures, 3 hours for each lecture. You can take any of the lecture and can reflect by following the steps. What was your feeling when the lecture was going on? What was the good points, bad points, and how you evaluate yourself? What were your learning? So when you reflect on something, you try to say, what were you before and what are you after that lecture? Suppose if I say you after this lecture, give me a reflection. So we'll follow each and every step. Before lecture, what I know about the case study, case-based teaching. After lecture, what is my additional learnings? So this is what we say, case-based teaching. I have downloaded the attendance now. Whosoever will join will not get attendance because it's very late. Okay. So now I'll show you the case of mine so that you will be able to know how the case has been written. And this case is based on my own work experience. Though I have not mentioned the name of the company where I was working after my MBA, because when you mention any name of the company, you need to take permission and all. Okay. And one more thing, when some teacher is running any YouTube video in the class, at that time stop recording, because when you involve any YouTube video in your recording and put it on YouTube, that can be an issue for copyright. Okay, because you are showing someone else's video on your YouTube. So take care of such things where whosoever is recording, or you can delete that part. So this is the case. And develop business for adventure looking forward. Darsh, a fresh MBA graduate, was feeling miffed on a sunny Sunday morning as he was not able to spend some time with himself from the last 2 months. Darsh was feeling amused at how his life has been transformed from an active student to super active executive eyeing for sales target. So here the Darsh was writing for myself. As a change name, Darsh had joined famous organization Adventures, the fictitious name given to the organization, as a business development manager in Karnal region. Adventure and e-learning company. I started working with the e-learning company, which provides smart classes in the school, and the territory was Karnal in Haryana. Besides smart classes, this Indian edutech startup also provides ERP, robotics, and various types of other labs. So Darsh was signed the territory of the Karnal, Haryana, which was emerging as an education hub for quality schools in India. Being a Delite, it was tough for him to relocate to Karnal, but he managed somehow. So first paragraph is always about like a picture. You know, some cases have been written like a movies and all. There's different. You try to set up the stage in the first paragraph. What case is about it? What this case is about? And then edutech competitive framework in Karnal. I'm giving you. I hope you have been aware of the technique of reading, skimming technique. So this is how many pages of this case studies are. 4 pages, not a that much big case study. So I'm giving you this case study in your group, in your WhatsApp group, and I request you all to go through it in next 10 minutes, and then I'll ask you. Okay, wait, let me post it in your group and the instructor manual as well. Both the things have been 1 minute. It's a wrong MBA. Okay, first I'm posting the case in your group. Afterwards, I'll post the instructor manual. So I posted the case in your group. Now you can read that case, and do not talk to anyone around you. Just focus on the case for next 5-6 minutes, and do not talk to me as well. You may have certain doubts, but just confine to yourself. apply skimming technique. Skimming says you do not need to read everything. Okay, you have another 2 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Please mute yourself. Okay, stop reading now, everyone. You can raise your hand for telling what are the insights you got to know about the case. What the case is about. Bhavya was seen as raised hand. Anyone else? Okay, Bhavya. Yeah, unmute yourself and speak.
Sir, basically, the case is about launching the company in a different area, that is Karnal region, and
Okay.
there was already a major competitor there, namely EdTech.
Okay.
So the main strategy was identifying that key technique or that product or differentiation which could differentiate our company from the competitor. In which this case was the remote, through which a teacher can easily roam in the classroom and use the smart class. Whereas in EdTech, there was keyboard, so it was not very comfortable. And also the company provides after sales service properly, and the course was available in both Hindi and English, unlike EdTech, which was available only in English. And it matched 80% with the syllabus, which was less in the case of EduTech. So the differentiation played a key role in gaining the advantage and penetrating, and also the pricing policy was also good of our company Adventure.
Okay. Thank you, Bhavya. Anyone else? Anyone else? Anyone else want to share their insights about the case? What's your learning on the case? one else read it? Even if you have read it half, you can share it. What you got to know about, from this case study. Let me see. Okay, Ishita Gautam.
Good morning, sir. Sir, basically, EdTech has already established in Karnal region itself, and many private schools know EdTech and their services. So the person Darsh has to find out like what kind of strategies, like he had already compared the services that was given by EdTech itself. So he has to compare like what kind of things that they have to give so that they can establish more.
Okay. So this is from Ishita. I'll come back to you all. You can lower your hand. Now let me put my insights on the case study. The case is about if I'll tell you, I can describe you in my own language. The case is about a guy who is joining Karnal in like 2010, and there was already one company was dominating the market, and he joined in the competitors company as a business executive, and all the schools, A grade schools were already tapped in Karnal, so he has no other option except looking for those schools which were not tapped by that company. So the company for which he was working, we tried to identify the competitive advantage. First, that the remote was given, the content was in Hindi. Okay, if I say teach next content, teach next to the company, next education, content was in Hindi as well, and they have the remote, and Educom do not have that remote and all. I'm talking about the scenario of 2010. So he played on the what were the key points, what is the unique selling point, USP. So I started my career as a business development manager. I was that person who joined and who was there in Karnal for 3 years. And in 3 years, I have signed 52 schools. Is a big number, 52. Before I joined Karnal, there was and Educom has like 6-10 good branded schools. Now I'll show you in case how to apply the theory. You have read it like a picture. Now how to apply the theory in the case study. So I'm showing you the teaching note of this case. Teaching note is the instructor manual, how to teach this case in the classroom. This is the teaching note. Synopsis of the case. So this case is business development and sales planning. Case deals with a young, fresh business executive responsible for developing business of EduTech company. Learning objective. What are your learning objective? Understand the relevance of sales management for business development and growth. Analyze the competitive framework and develop sales plan. Discussion topic: defining the case, debriefing by the case by students, sales management review, analysis of competitive framework, and integration with theoretical model. At the same time, this is the sales process which has been discussed in the case. So if I teach you this sales process, you may or may not remember it after 2 days, but this sales process has been explained in that case study. So you will not forget it. Then prospecting, after that introduction, prospecting, identifying the needs, and introduction, identifying the needs, gain commitment, create proposal, present proposals. So this is the whole sales process which has been adopted by me for doing the sales in the Karnal region, keeping the EdTech product industry in consideration. The relevance of the sales process can have more emphasis on identification of needs. What are the identification of needs? Which type of clients are there in Karnal? Gain commitment, trust. In Karnal, people are not like Delhi. There is a more on reference selling. अरे हाँ भाई, मैंने तो लगवा लिया, तू भी लगवा ले, बढ़िया है. तो वो लैंग्वेज, वो सारी चीजें वो बहुत रोल प्ले करती हैं. एज ए मार्केटर, हाउ यू कनेक्ट with the business person, because you are selling the product to another businessman. School owner is also a businessman, so it's a B2B selling. So you need to show him what is his advantage. If you are giving a classroom is around like 5,000 for a classroom for a month, you are charging. They are charging like 100 or 150 with each and every student. They are taking it as a business. This smart class fees is an additional fees. And then competitive analysis के लिए we have this Porter 5 forces model. Bargaining power of supplier, bargaining power of buyer, threat of entry, threat of substitute, industry rivalry. Who are the rivals of adventure in that market? EdTech was the rival. What about other rivals? Industry rivalry, talk about all the players in the market. Threat of entry, how is there a possibility that anyone can enter in that market? Anyone can enter in that zone? Threat of entry. It's not easy to, at that time it was not easy to enter in the smart classroom business. Though few have tried to enter by making slides, but slides is not animation. After one or two classes, student will catch it, and the faculty as well. Whosoever teachers are speaking, bargaining power of supplier, supplier in this case, whosoever is providing you material for making that e-learning content. Bargaining of power of supplier is higher if there is only one or two supplier. If there is there are n number of suppliers, they cannot bargain with you because you will say I'll take it from someone else. Similarly, bargaining power of buyer is high in case a bargaining buyer is the school owner. Bargaining power of buyer is high in case they have 2, 4, 5, 6, 10 options. In case they have only 2, 3 companies, they cannot bargain much. They have to take the product. Threat of substitute. What will be the substitute of this e-learning based classroom at that time? Smart classroom. CDs were available, but CDs only were giving the presentation type of stuff, not the animation. So this is the framework which has been used in that case study. So this is what the case study do with you. Case study provide you the insights of theory, and you can apply those insights of theory, and then you were able to analyze and develop your critical thinking, where you will get that chance to develop your mind, develop your critical thinking only through the case studies. You will get that chance. Shagun, you want to say something?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, actually, I want to ask. Basically, Adventure was a starter company, right? So,
Yes.
before setting up a business, there are some factors which needs to be considered, like competition in that particular area, or before setting up a company in that area where already a market is grabbed by a company named
Another.
Edutech, major share of.
Okay.
So why not to open a startup in an area where the chances to grab a market is high? I really want
No,
to.
you didn't get the whole case. The EdTech has captured only the A category schools, but the schools business is too large. Schools are expanded at a larger level. Till now, the market has not been captured. So why to go for another market? And EdTech was in whole India. Similarly, Next Education, the two companies that time. Similarly, Next Education started in the whole India. So in some regions there can be EdTech, in some regions there can be Adventure. Have the competitive advantage, but you need to start.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I have also posted in your class group the teaching manual. In future days, you always talk to your faculty members when they start the classes. They will give you the teaching manual based books. In the teaching manual based books, you will get the web links, videos, MCQs. Pearson is a good publisher. SAYS is a good publisher. TMH. The standard publisher provides teaching manual of the book. E-books के साथ में teaching manual. If teaching manual is there, you have the different sets of exercises given to it. Similarly, in the case studies, if teaching manual is there, an instructor knows how to teach this case. Instructor never shared the teaching manual with you, but I have shared it with you for your learning. What is teaching manual is? This is for instructor. You give it to instructor. In this manner, you need to discuss. These are the theories which are aligned in this case. this is a vast topic, case-based pedagogy. So this class is not enough to discuss the whole thing about case-based pedagogy. But in this 1 hour, I tried to cover the aspect what is case-based pedagogy, why it is important, and I have also given you one case for your practice. Okay, so it's like 10:51. I'll not take much of your time, otherwise you will complain our break time is taken by sir. Any query? Just one or two query I can take. Anyone, you can raise your hand if anyone wants to say something or want to ask something. You can lower your hand, whosoever is done. Shagun. Okay. So anyways, take your break now, and the person whosoever is recording the lecture, they can send me the recording. Best of luck for your other classes today, and at 3 I'll join you for JGate session. I'll introduce you with the guest whosoever will take class on that JGate software, and 3 to 5, after that's 5, there is a Lakshman sir session. Okay. So at 12, I will join you today also for the guest lecture. Okay, so Rohil, you want to say something?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, one thing I want to say that please share
1 minute.
something about the guest. We don't know who is the guest and what their field is.
I always share the profile of the guest. I have shared in the last week all the profiles of the guest.
You have sent the names only. I've seen.
No, I have shared the profile as well. Rohil Thakkar. Haven't I shared the profile? In the last week, all the profiles have been shared in your WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir.
I'll share it
Yes, sir.
for the today's lecturer in your group, Miss Jyoti Chauhan. Okay. In case you have missed it, Rohil, you can refer that document once again. I'll share you the profile of the today's guest, Miss Jyoti Chauhan. Okay. Best of luck, all of you. You can leave the class. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.